poked away by Cohen Cleaver. Puck comes back to the line. Pickering left point. D-to-D pass, long wrist shot, tip, score! In front, Philman got a touch, and exactly 1 minute into the first period, the Broncos strike to open the scoring 1-0. Away goes Marcus on the right wing into the Broncos zone to the trailer. Sharp, he shoots, he scores! First Western Hockey League goal for Will Sharp, and it ties the game 1-1. Return Vidston to the side, LaVenture back across, and a good save by Cleaver. Second chance score. Vidston gobbles up the rebound after a great stop by Cleaver, and a power play goal puts the Broncos back in front 2-1. Over the Bronco line to the cross man in front, chance, great save by Rocha. Rebound, scores! Joey Rocha absolutely robbed Trey Wilkie, and Miguel Marcus cashed in the rebound, 2-2. Wilkie in with McCutcheon joining the rush. He got the pass to the net, scores! Great pass, great read, Logan McCutcheon. LaVenture was cheating ahead. Pass was blocked, but taken back by Caswell. Tried to center, got it to the front, they score! Jammed in at the top, I think, by McCaggerty, and this game is tied at 3. Taken by the Broncos, chance in front, Misselbacher scores! Luke Misselbacher was all alone in front of the net. Trying to shield off a check. Marcus gets the puck to the line. Chadwick, quick touch across. Wormold with room to the front, scores! Braden Edwards on a flyby to the front. Doyle shades it across. Sharp fires, scores! Will Sharp double dips! His second of the night, and the Hurricanes are up 5-4 on a delayed penalty goal. Switches places for a pinching McCleary. He'll get it to the corner. Vidston all the way back. Burney. Wrist shot, scores! Brady Burney from outside. Cleaver had no chance to see it, and the game is tied 5-5. .30 seconds gone on the Lethbridge Honda power play. Canes are 1 for 1. Marcus shooting, scores! 4-point night for Miguel Marcus. He wired it. A power play goal, 6-5. He's hurt, laboring to get back into the play. A bouncer off a body and in. It's 6-6. From the corner, Brady Burney. Here's Marcus with a dash, busting in, Marcus to the net, got hauled down, no call.
No.
Here's a puck back to the line, and it skipped through to Wyrostock. Caleb Wyrostock into the trailer, Gould down Main Street, cuts wide, shoots and scores. Rylan Gould ices it with an overtime winner, and the Broncos win 7-6 in overtime.